Good morning, boys and girls. Today, I'd like to do a little more math review with you. Please get out a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Alrighty. Because guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? First, we need to read the story, right? Then we need to draw the pictures. And then what, boys and girls? Write the number sentence right. Say it with me. RDW. Read, draw, write. All right, the first time I read the story, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, I want you to get that pencil moving and grooving, and we're going to work together to solve this math story. All right, just listen this first time. Bob has 6 pennies in a bowl. 9 pennies in his desk. How many pennies does he have all together? When we hear that word all together, what kind of math do you want to think it is? All together, our number's going to get bigger, so it's going to be plus, right? Good job. All right, I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to circle the important numbers that we are using for this question. Bob has 6, and I'm going to circle 6 pennies in a bowl. 9, I'm going to circle 9 pennies in his desk. How many pennies does he have all together? So, what do we need to draw, boys and girls? We read the story. Now we need to draw the picture. All right, I'm going to draw 6 pennies, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're in a bowl. So I'm going to label it B for bowl. 9 pennies in his desk. And we're going to draw 9 pennies and label it D for desk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you can see, look right here. Look at, I put these in 10 frames. What is 9's partner to 10? How many more circles do I need to draw or you need to draw in this 10 frame to make a 10? Right, you need one more. But let's write, I'll label it D for desk. Oops, getting ahead of myself. Let's write our number sentence, which is 6 plus 9 equals mystery number, the number we don't know yet, right? We don't know it yet. We have 9 and 6. What is 9's partner to 10? Right, you just said it was 1. And look, if you look at your 10 frame right here, you can see you need one more circle to make this a 10. So I'm going to circle one over here. So now I have 10. So I broke that 6, boys and girls, into a what? We put the 1 over there, right? Because 9's partner to 10 is 1, right? So then how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And you could also realize this. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So we know 10, we have 9 and 1, and 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Nice job. 10. But are we done? Goodness no. What about the 5? We're still not done, right? So, I'm running out of room. I'll write it over here. 10 plus, what's that number we need to use still? 5, yeah. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And I would have written it down here, but it would have gotten cut off. And you can even see that in your picture. You have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many pennies does he have all together? 15 pennies. So if I was going to write a statement, I would write 15. And then if I needed to know how to spell pennies, boys and girls, like sometimes we have a hard time trying to figure out how to spell words, you can go right back into the question, into the math story, and see how pennies is spelled. And I'm going to box my answer. 15 pennies. Very nice job, boys and girls. How do you feel about these number sentences, these equations? They're a little tricky, but you know what? With practice and practice makes perfect. So I know if you keep trying, you will get it. All right, I'm going to erase my board, and I have one other question I want to do with you today. So hang tight for 1 second. Okay. I'm trying to erase this. Okay. On your piece of paper, please write 8 plus 6 equals mystery number, the number we don't know yet. And we've been working a lot with these types of questions, right? Right, yeah. And there's 2 strategies you can use to solve this type of question, right? You can use the counting on strategy, right? Which where you put the bigger number in your head and you count up how many? 6. So you would put 8 in your head and count up 6. Or you can do the number bond style, which means make a 10. We're going to make a 10 using number bond style. So let's do number bond style first. And then we can check our answer with our counting on strategy. So if we have 8 plus 6, what number do I want to break down? Break it down. Right, I want to break down the 6, right? And I want to find, what is 8's partner to 10? If you have 8 fingers up, boys and girls, how many more do you need to get to 10? 1, 2, right. So we're going to pull a 2 out of the 6. We're going to pull a 2 out of the 6, right? Please write that down. And we know 8 plus 2 equals 10. But we're not done, right? If I pulled a 2 out of the 6, 2 plus what will give me 6? And it's okay if you don't know. You can put 2 in your head and count up to 6. Or you can put up 6 fingers and take down 2. What are you left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And this is when, if we know our facts, boys and girls, it makes it super duper quick, right? If we know our facts. So 8 plus 2, we just said is 10. But then we need to add our 4. And 10 plus 4 is 10, 4. 10, 4. And if you don't know it, you can put 10 in your head and count up 4. But a lot of us just know 10 plus 4 is 14, right? We can look at that really quickly and just know that 10 plus 4 is 14. So our mystery number, 8 plus 6 is 14. Very nice job. Thank you for watching this math review mini lesson, because we are getting ready for our mid-module assessment when we get back to school on Monday. And I can't wait to see you on Monday, boys and girls. Thank you so much. Keep up the great work. Remember, wash your hands. Love you. Bye.